What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. The Bitcoin price right now is pumping all the way up to the upper level of this bear flag right here. And as of filming, we are seeing a little bit of resistance. You may have checked the charts today on this beautiful Thursday afternoon or evening, wherever you are in the world, and you may think, why on earth is the Bitcoin price pumping right now? Well, if we go over to Twitter, we can see right here, breaking crypto market structure bill passed the banking committee and now advances to the full US Senate. This is giga bullish for crypto. And that is exactly why, as of approximately 6 p.m., around 2 to 3 hours ago, Dubai time, we are seeing a massive pump in the Bitcoin price. And again, this pump right here is all the way up here at about 3%, around $2,500 pump. It's absolutely ridiculous. In today's video, I want to talk exactly what I think will be happening for Bitcoin. Does it invalidate everything I said in yesterday's video? Are we going to see a push upwards, breaking this level of resistance all the way back from 2 years ago? Or are we going to remain rejected and continue all the way down here lower to low 70Ks? I want to talk about that in today's video, guys. As always, sit back, relax, and get ready for the video. All right, guys, welcome back to another video, and thank you for joining me once again. As always, a massive special thank you to each and every one of you watching at home. It truly does mean the absolute world to me. If you do have 2 seconds spare, slap that like button. It would be amazing to push up to 500 likes on today's video. And if you got another 2 seconds spare, 3 if you're feeling a bit lazy today, drop a comment down below and that will enter you to win $100 every single Monday. Check back on Monday's video to see if you are in fact a winner. Of course, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy called Jack sharing his journey in crypto. If you're in the UK, USA, or UAE, please do not watch, engage, or click with any of my links in this video. So guys, let's take a look at what is happening right now, because we are seeing a rather large pump right now. I just got back from dinner and I had some lovely ramen actually, and I'm seeing the crazy price chart right here is absolutely ridiculous. And we did in fact see a push towards the upside. Now, if we take a look at the daily chart right here, this starts to paint a little bit of a different picture. First of all, we are going all the way back up here to this price level right there, exactly where we got rejected right here. And we pumped up and got rejected once again. What is happening to Bitcoin? What is happening to this price level? Because we keep magnetizing or gravitating towards this level right here. Are we going to break it? Are we going to break, if we go to the weekly chart, this massive level of resistance, which we can see forming all the way from back here in 2024 in March? This is over a 2-year level of previous resistance, then turned support, then turned support again, and now turned resistance, at the current price levels. What is going to happen? Well, in my opinion, you guys know my opinion. I say it every single day, and I am not changing. I still think we're in a bear market. This one candlestick doesn't change anything. I'm not getting euphoric. I really think we are going to see a potential. As I said in yesterday's video, I'm not quite sure yet, because we haven't closed this CME gap at 84K, because we haven't hit this golden pocket right there. I'm not quite sure what is going to happen, because I really would feel more comfortable if we close this 84K gap and then go back to the downside and see a dump. If we do start dumping like we did here, as I said in yesterday's video, I am going to be a little bit worried, because this is always looming up here. So let me know in the comments down below, does this pump change anything for you? Of course, it will enter you to win that giveaway every single Monday of $100. Does this candlestick change anything for you? Again, many people in the comments said, Jack, we need to wait for a weekly candlestick. Again, in yesterday's video, I was talking about this 200-day moving average right here, how we got rejected from it. We can see right now, we are in fact pretty much touching it, and maybe even getting rejected from it once again on the daily chart, the 200 daily moving average, exactly like we did last bull market, which we can see exactly here with this arrow. When we did get rejected from it, we saw a massive 63% dump to the downside. Again, I'm going to be watching this level like an absolute hawk over the next few days to see if we are going to break above it. Are we going to have a daily close above the 200-day moving average? or are we going to get rejected? Of course, also the weekly moving average acting as support as well. The 200 weekly moving average, we can see right here it's acting as support. And again, it's such a lagging indicator though. It's really hard to get good in the moment accurate information from the 200 weekly moving average because it is such a lagging indicator. But if we do remove this and we bring up these ribbons right here, this will start to paint a picture about where I think the Bitcoin price could be going if you believe we are in a bear market, which personally I do. If you don't think we are in the bear market, as always, guys, take your hand, slap the like button, and then slap your face as well, because I really think we are personally in a bear market. And again, my price target would be somewhere in this exact range as of previous bear markets, like we saw exactly here in the previous bear market. We saw the Bitcoin price come beautifully into this range right here between, back then it was between 23K and between 15K. We saw that 15K and then we continued to see new all-time highs. And again, I think it's too early yet to confirm that we are in a bull market. We are just not, in my opinion. We are exactly the same as we were previously. And previously, again, we had a push, an all-time high right there, a dump, a push to the upside, an all-time high right there, a dump, a push to the upside, a rejection, a little push and a further rejection, push and a further rejection, as I explained exactly in yesterday's video. So that is what I'm thinking as of right now, guys. My situation, my opinion has not changed at all. And if you guys also want to go ahead and short the market like I am doing, link down below today's video, guys. You're going to get VIP2 instantly on Ubit Exchange down below, guys, which gives you a 25% fee discount. And also there is a massive special bonus going on right now. If you deposit $100, you're going to get $100 to trade with, and there is no KYC on that exchange. So the link is down below, guys. Also, keep an eye on my channel because every single day for almost a month now, I've been uploading videos. I'm really trying to get consistent with YouTube uploads. It's hard. Of course, everyone's lives are busy, including mine. And I'm trying to make basically a pact with myself to upload daily until Bitcoin is back at least above $100,000. I don't want to leave you guys in the dark this bear market, so I want to keep you updated every single day, guys. If we're taking a look at the liquidation heat map as well, we can see, of course, there's a lot of liquidity here at 78K, but the next target, if we do keep pushing towards the upside, I mean, we are currently at $81,450. That 82 or 83K range right there with quite a lot of liquidity, well over 100 million, will start to become a target. And again, that's very close to that CME gap at 84K and the golden pocket at around 83K. So keep that in mind, guys. We are seeing a bullish pump because of this news right here. Most likely it won't be a sustained pump for quite a long time. I don't think it's going to start pumping forever. Again, we could see a rejection on the upper level of this bear flag right here, and maybe even a retest down to these levels at 79K. The Bitcoin price is crazy in the last few days. We are seeing erratic price movements right here. We're seeing a pump and then a dump within less than 24 hours. It's really crazy. Stay safe out there, guys. Of course, if you do want to get a $100 bonus, there is down below for Ubit. And of course, guys, I'll catch you in the next one.